Hello and welcome to this BlackBerry unlocking tutorial where we're going to show you how to unlock a BlackBerry Bold 9900. Now, we at blackberryunlocking.biz, we can create an unlock code using your phone's IMEI number and PRD code. To help you with finding those, here are the instructions. Click on your berry key, then follow onto the options icon and then device and status information, and you will find your IMEI number. It's 15 digits long. The next piece of information that we need is your PRD code. This is found by removing the battery on your phone and looking at a label, and you'll find a code that starts with PRD. In this example, 22578-049. That's the PRD code. It's the 8 numbers that we're interested in. The code can be a little bit difficult to read, so try to be accurate with the digits that you send us. Any incorrect information and it will delay your order, as we would have to get back to you to asking you to double check something. But should the information be all correct, then we can make a unlock code in 2 minutes for you, sent by email. To buy this unlock code, all you need to do is visit our website blackberryunlocking.biz. It's only £2.49, that's about $3.90. In step 3, you'll find a small section where you can fill in your phone's IMEI number and your phone's PRD code. Click on Buy Now and it will take you to PayPal. Here you can use an existing account, or if you don't have an account, you can pay directly with credit card on the link below. Once you've paid, 2 minutes later, check your inbox. Basically, we will email you both a network unlocking code and a service provider unlocking code. I'll explain that later, to your email address. If you do not see anything there, do check your spam and junk folders. If you don't get anything from us in half an hour, then it's likely that you're just waiting for us to reply manually to an issue that occurred with your order. You're welcome to contact us and chase us up on it. We have an online chat system where you can chat to us in real time and ask any questions, or we're at the other end of email too. So either way, any issues at all throughout the process, and just get in touch with us. The way you type in the unlocking code is like this. Go over to your home screen again by pressing your berry key, and what we're going to do is we're going to switch off the network connections. So we click on Manage Connections, and then we untick mobile network and Wi-Fi. Just basically turn all off and go back. Then follow through to going into the options icon, and then the device menu, advanced system settings menu, and then SIM card. On that screen, you're not going to see a lot of information. It might even be totally blank. What we need to do now is type in the sequence MEPD on the keyboard. This will disclose more information. If you don't do this bit here correctly, just try again. If you've mistyped it, not a problem. Just try again and then you'll get this screen. If network is active, then your phone is locked and it needs unlocking. If you see it as inactive or disabled, then it's already unlocked. If you see blocked here, then that's an issue. You've tried too many times and now your phone is locked and blocked to the original network. The next other detail is that as well as network being locked, it's also possible that service provider is locked. If this is the case, we've also sent you a separate code for service provider. This is how you type in the network unlocking key so that we unlock the phone. Basically, hold down Alt and type in MEP and then the number 2. That's to unlock network. If you were doing service provider, you would change that to with a 4. On that last keystroke, the phone should ask you to type in the unlocking code. Go ahead and copy the code from the email and press the trackpad button to accept it. As soon as you do, you should see a message saying code accepted. Then when it returns you back to the screen, you will notice that network is now disabled. And also, if you disable service provider, that will say disabled. Sometimes it says inactive. They're both the same thing. It means that the phone is now unlocked. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it and it's been useful to you, do give us a little like, a little thumbs up on the video. And if you are a client of ours and you've ordered the code, we'd be glad to hear about your experience with us as a comment on the video too. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, blackberryunlocking.biz. For only $2.49, $3.90 more or less, you can get a BlackBerry unlock code faster than anywhere else. Thank you for listening.